Hi, welcome. It's nice to have you here, Madhu and Malika. We are just doing our current, fall-winter festive collection, which we show in July, and what's called Kuchiyoli. And so therefore it's very relevant to the wedding diaries, which you bring to this part of the world. And basically, these are the techniques we worked on in the last year to try and get, our color sense, to bring lightness to clothes. Of course, we want to be Indian, but we want to be modern. I don't want to go backwards, and it's very nice to look at things in books and what people want 200 years back. But 200 years you would have sat, you wouldn't have worn heels, you'd have been on display, P.R. Singh brought me a Lehenga photograph and we researched it was 200 curries. But that woman just sat. Today's life, you want to dance, you want to this thing, things go for 7-8 hours, and we also want girls to reuse these clothes and men. So we use a lot of traditional techniques. That's chicken curry. That's chicken curry with a little sardozi. And I like a very pale silver because I think in the modern milieu, I think, you are not village bells roaming around in Rajasthan. So why not again, if you dress like this, then when you dress Indian or you dress in a beautiful traditional clothes, of course we respect our past, but we must have a modern take because that's who we are today. So come, I'll show you around the store.
So congratulations, Tarun,
so
for this fabulous collection that you have created.
Thank you.
I'm every time I meet you, every time I see your collection, I admire you more and more. And I have to say that because of Malika and her getting married, I really got into the world of Tarun Kanyani. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
And it's such a wonderful to see that, and I've become a great fan.
Thank you. Well, next time you're in Delhi, you must come and have lunch with me at the studio or breakfast
Yes.
or eggs or whatever.
100%.
Because you will see the way it's being made in different places.
Yeah.
And look, we have our amazing craft tradition and we have our textile tradition. But what we didn't have in this country was a tailoring tradition because everything was draped. Now, you can wear the sari, but it's a few and fewer people, or then you need a dolly gent to come and drape you and put the pins in.
Amazing, fabulous coffee table book, Tarun.
Yes,
It is
thank you.
fantastic, and thank you so much for sending it for me.
So that illustrates also the journey to India
Yes,
modern, right?
it is
You go to
fantastic.
the Kumbh, how do you interpret it? You
Yeah.
can say. So next is we just want to get better. Actually, next time working now, because we've kind of, I wouldn't say mastered, but we've understood a lot we do in this bridal thing. My real dream is what's on the cover of the book, how to make wearable, simple clothes, like even the uniform, which is a dhoti, a drape, a thing, making sure there's a... So I'm launching the that line called OTT.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
in
wow.
November. Well,
Okay.
it's not with collapses that you can hit with a drape. So a day-to-day version of this that you can wear
So as you
today.
can see, I'm wearing Tarun's necklace. And his jewelry is also fantastically designed. His
Girl.
clutches are so beautiful.
Thank
And
you. That's it.
follow.
So
Ah,
give me
now-
the-
Yeah. Okay.
Perfectionist.
Yes, perfect. In everything.
But Madhu, what makes you a Tarun fan? What is the one thing that you love about
I love
TT?
Tarun. First of all, I love him.
I love Madhu. That's
I love
it.
Tarun. Huh? I love his fabulous, all-embracing personality, and he's so inclusive. He's so accessible. This is something that I met him years back, and now I don't feel the difference that I've not known him for so many years. Otherwise, in the last 1 or 2 years.
She came trundling in with Neil.
Neil, yes. When we started
Talk
India
about
Story,
India Story,
when we
yeah.
started India Story, it was the second year of the India Story,
That's right.
and he and I went for breakfast to have it, Tarun. It was fantastic. But of course, after many years, let's fast forward. Today we did the fashion show with him in TIS, India Story.
That was
2000.
lovely. That was a blast
I can
with
tell you one
Imran.
thing. So many people who had come here from Delhi and all this, say, we've not seen a fashion show like this even in Delhi. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sometimes
what Tarun
things just
did.
come together.
And
And
just-
Indrani did a great job.
Indrani and you, your whole team, everyone did a fantastic job.
That was a lovely
we
But
look
this
forward
is
to
becoming
more.
That's what I first
this is
met
becoming a
you.
tradition now, Madhu
Yes.
and Tarun. This your preview
Yes.
prior to the wedding diary is kind of becoming a tradition right now,
Yes.
and we enjoyed it a lot. Tarun, Madhu, what do you enjoy about this preview basically? Like particularly if you could talk about a little bit about this.
Well, for me, it's lovely to come and to do something with Madhu. I love her spirit. I love what she's done with the India Story. So I'm always a supporter and a fan because You know, in fact, I was telling her last time when I came and saw the contemporary section, I told my sister, you should go here to source because you know, it's done with the love and the right energy. I feel with fashion weeks and all, they become political, people get in, people don't. This is just purely to produce and to showcase India, literally the India diaries, across the board. And as India changes and is in such a major metamorphosis, I think when people come together to expose, educate, show gently, not shove it down, not through Bollywood's eyes, I think it makes a huge difference because finally it's about education that you change your perception and how you live and how you engage with things.
Right.
It can't be superficial. I think she goes deep into it and that's what this does.
Malika, does it bring back your wedding memories today at Tarun's?
Just being in the store, I just, oh my god.
But it's not every day. Firstly, she's Madhu's daughter-in-law. It's not every day we have a Sindhi bride who looks like this.
So you did a wonderful bridal thing.
Well, we were so excited. We got your 4 images straight after you were dressed.
Oh wow.
You were in Doha, right?
Yes.
And you were saying, oh my God, with that one necklace. But you know, there's a whole exciting new India that's emerging on young men and women like Malika who've seen the best in the world, who are themselves. She was very clear, I don't want gold, I don't want this, I want to be subtle. They want to dress as an extension of themselves. And to me, that's confidence. That's knowing who you are, and that's the point of all this exposure.
Right. Madhu, you already like a few things, right? What did you like from Tarun's new collection?
You know, there's so
You
many
already
things
marked 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, there's so many things to like. I've already picked up one sari. I was wanting to pick for Malika, but Malika said let's buy for my daughter, Paroma. So I've already booked that sari. And of course, later on, of course, Malika and I will come with Paroma and see more, whatever we like, you know. But
Actually, Madhu is an OTT girl because she's so understated. Even at the reception I went to, I remember saying she was in one pair of nice earrings.
Right.
I always notice that about you.
Yeah.
She is a very different approach to dressing, money, whatever. You know, do it for your own self. When OGT is ready, I'm going to be flooding her with at least 10 pieces because she's much more casual, much more easy. I mean, that's always been your style, the way
Yes,
I've seen you.
absolutely.
Toned down colors.
yeah.
No, she's too beautiful to, she doesn't need anything.
No,
So.
I just put on career weight. Now let's
But it's
see.
really your skin's looking amazing. Keep the weight on.